So now I will talk about difference between afraid, scared and frightened. When using these words to describe someone's emotional state, after the verb to be and before of, you can use afraid or scared with no change in meaning. She is afraid of spiders is equal to she is scared of spiders. Frightened of. Frightened of can also be used, but it's not as common. However, when used in the active voice and the subject of the sentence is the scaring thing, you can use only scared or frightened. The loud noise scared me. The loud noise frightened me. You can also use scary or frightening to describe something that causes fear. It was a scary experience. It was a scary experience. It was a frightening experience.